Hi everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to embed a website into Canvas, and specifically a website that doesn't provide you with an embed code. So for example, I have a Blooket game here, and you can see that this is embedded, although Blooket does not provide embed codes, and students can play their Blooket game right here from within Canvas, and it's not requiring you to go outside of Canvas to play the game. Pretty awesome, right? So to start with, all you need to do is find a website that you want to share on Canvas. So for example, I'm going to grab this Time for Kids article. Scroll down. Yep, there's lots of parts to the article here that I want to share on Canvas. I'm going to copy the URL. Then I'm going to open a new window and go to iframegenerator.com. You can see that there, and it's got a hyphen in it, iframegenerator.com. You have some settings here that you can change, although I usually just go right to the iframe URL and I paste in my URL address, click on Generate, and then here below it gives you the generated iframe embed code. I copy it. Then I jump back to Canvas, and I'm going to go to a different page to put this in. So I find the page that I'm wanting to edit. Just called this Time for Kids, and I need to put in my embed code. So I go to this little symbol here, and I'm just going to paste in my embed code. Now, because this is an article, I usually like them wider than what it shows here. So I'm going to make this one a little wider and a little bit longer. The height and width, I can see those easily in the embed code. You may like them exactly how they are. You may want to change that. We click to go back to where I can see the article, and you can see here let me save it and I'll show you from this view. It'll be easier. I'm going to show you from the student view. All right, so here I am, Time for Kids and Students. There's a scroll bar here that students can scroll down and see the entire article, just like on the web page, but without having to leave Canvas. That's the beauty of it. Pretty awesome, right? All right, hope that helps and you enjoy embedding websites right into Canvas.